In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Surveymonkey results. Whether you're just getting started or you're well-versed in surveys, this walkthrough will guide you through every step to efficiently export your data. Whether you're after a complete dataset, summary statistics, or individual responses. Now, let's dive in and explore how to do this. First, you'll begin by navigating to the Analyze Results section. This is where you'll find all the data export options you need. Start by opening Surveymonkey and make sure you're logged into your account. Then, simply locate and click on the specific survey for which you want to export the results. Once you select your survey, you'll see an Analyze Results button. Click it to get started. Next, it's time to initiate the export process. At the top of the page, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Save As. Click on this menu, and from the options that appear, select Export File. It's important to remember that exporting files is a feature that's available with a paid plan, so ensuring that you've subscribed to an appropriate plan is an essential preliminary step. Now, let's move on to choosing the type of export you need. This is a crucial decision as it determines how your data is presented and what insights you can derive from it. You have a few different options here. If you're looking for an overview of each question along with the counts, percentages, and visuals, the All Summary Data option is your go-to. If you want a raw, unprocessed spreadsheet of all participant responses, then All Responses Data is ideal. Lastly, if you're interested in examining each participant's response individually, the All Individual Responses option will cater to your needs. Once you've decided on the type of data you want, it's time to pick your export format. Surveymonkey supports several formats. If you need presentation-ready visuals like charts and tables, opt for PDF. PowerPoint, or PPT, is great for preparing slideshows for quick sharing. If you're after editable spreadsheets, XLS or XLSX formats will serve you well. CSV is perfect for lightweight compatibility with various tools. For more advanced statistical analysis, the SPSS/SAV format would be your choice. The final step is to export and download your file. After making your selections, simply hit Export. Your file will be generated and will appear in the Exports menu. Don't forget, this file will only be accessible in the menu for 14 days, so make sure to download it in that time frame. And here's a quick tip. If your survey is quite large, meaning over 100,000 responses, or if the total number of respondents multiplied by questions exceeds 100,000, the CSV format will be your only export option. This is a useful workaround when dealing with extensive datasets. So there you have it. A complete guide to exporting your Surveymonkey results quickly and efficiently. Happy surveying!